Hi, this is Tom Reardon, math teacher from Ohio, with another ACT problem to solve. We will show several different ways to solve this one. We encourage you to do this problem along with me and pause the video as necessary. The cost of 2 notebooks and a package of pencils is $7.60. Cost of 3 notebooks and 2 packages of pencils is $11.95. What is the cost of 1 notebook and 1 package of pencils? So I'm going to let the letter N represent the cost of 1 notebook and P represent the cost of 1 package of pencils. So I can go from words to symbols here. And 2 notebooks plus 1 package of pencils is $7.60. 3 notebooks plus 2 packages of pencils is $11.95. And there are so many ways to solve this. So many. We'll illustrate a couple of them. The first way we're going to solve this system is by using the Poly-Simultaneous 2 app, and in that there's a simultaneous equation solver. So I'm going to go to Apps, and I'm going to go down to Poly-Simultaneous 2, press Enter to run that app, and the second option in that menu is a simultaneous equation solver. So I have 2 equations with 2 variables. So I'm going to go over to 2 equations, enter, 2 unknowns, enter. And to go to the next screen, I'm going to press the graph button. And I'm going to use X and Y instead of N and P. So I'll type in a 2, enter, plus, enter, 1Y, enter, and that's 7.60, enter. And then 3 for the coefficient of x, again a plus sign, 2 for the coefficient of y, and $11.95, enter. To solve that, I'll press the graph button, and this is my solutions. So when I add those up, I'm going to get 435, which is the answer C. What other ways could we use to solve this system? Well, we could use the substitution method, solve for one of the variables. We could use the addition method with multiplication, sometimes called linear combination. We could use matrices. And if you want to try those ways, fine, go ahead and do that. But we have another way we'd like to share with you. And this way uses algebraic, what we call algebraic structure, or the structure of algebra. So here was one of our equations. Here was the other equation. I'm going to take that first equation and multiply it by -1. Get -2n, -p, and -760. And I'm going to add it to this second equation. So I'm going to add these 2 equations right here. And I'm going to be left with 1n plus 1p equals 435. Oh, and we're done. We were supposed to find the sum of 1 notebook and 1 package of pencils, and that was it. So I didn't find n, I didn't find p, but I did find their sum fairly quickly. Hope you like that one.